Hi everybody, Mr. Palmer here, and today I'd like to go over the flush constraint. So if you click on constrain, you'll notice that flush is a subset of the mate. So it's mate mate or mate flush. And the icons really do help to elaborate on what's happening. With the mate mate, you're gluing the surfaces together. And with the mate flush, you're specifying that those two surfaces should be level with each other. Let's go ahead and see how that might work. First thing I'm going to do is point out that down here there's always some interesting and useful prompts, so keep your eye on that in case you get confused or stuck as to what to do. But click on Mate and Flush, and I want to make this surface here, the top surface, flush or level with that surface there. Now don't forget, all you're seeing here is a preview, so you always have to click Apply. Now that might not look like it did a whole lot, but if I had my two mate constraints that further took away the degrees of freedom of this rectangle, it would be firmly locked in place. So I'll show you that real quick, even though it's covered more in depth in another tutorial. So I'm going to glue that side to that side. And I'm going to mate that side to that side. Applying that, this will now be fully constrained as shown by the no symbol. Now, sometimes we don't necessarily want it flush or level, but we still use the flush constraint. So I'm going to right click and edit this constraint. And what I want to do is use an offset. So I'm saying, yes, this level with this, but wait, maybe minus a quarter inch. Now that went the wrong direction. That's a simple fix. Just go ahead and throw a negative in there. And now you can see that I can actually specify very specific distances that I want that to stick out, depending on what you're doing or what you want. Make sure you hit OK. And you can see now that's constrained as before, but now I have that ½ inch offset in there. All right, thanks. Have a good day.